Chitsonga Diva in the building. Kombe kulungisa nkombelo Aleni Country. Wabona last weekend ne. I was pissed off. Ankwatile, ankwate ngopu. Okay, here is the story. Okay, hey, men vangani vame. Ivangani lava ku yatitirela. Like we make our own money. So last weekend we were planning to go out. Okay, actually I'm driving a Mercedes Benz G63. Luyanda, my friend, she's driving an Audi A4, the latest one, and Simpiwe who driver a Porsche Cayenne, and Tepiso who driver a GTI, the latest one. So my boyfriend Pro una V class, and we're like, okay, cause if I'm buying Queen as friends, why am I taking a V class your boyfriend I mean? So we took the V class, yeah, boyfriend I mean Pro. And then we're like, no man, to keep up with as girls wanna have fun. So we were like, okay, let's go to Mtunzi. There is a lodge that called Mtunzi Lodge. So we were like, okay, we'll go there. So a family driver went to Mtunzi Lodge. Logo fika, tilo kipeni, kananzika. We bought our Hennessy's, we bought everything. Because we are working, we can ourselves. At court, we bought for ourselves. We bought some Hennessy's, so we were Grey Goose, we were like things nyana swa ka swi nga hlayi nchumu. Okay, we are sitting hi le kuphuzeni hi le ku dyeni ka nyama. This guy u nghena hi pholo, wena pholo teta ku ni bukeni i nghena i endle rasi pholo, nghena hi pholo, imagine ya silver ni cotton color ko nghena hi pholo ya silver u endle rasi ku wa ba tingoma nyana tin'wana ta switsongwana. Okay, tshamile, we are minding our own businesses, like we are chilling, we are here to chill, we are here to have fun. So this guy look at it ka pholo ya come straight to us, like the straight guy. Look the Jane kahle. I'm like, okay, he's coming. Why approach or whenever lava ku timali ta accident vanhu va rough va kume mali mala accident va nyenza ngopfu, and swi voni swa lweyi I type leya kume mali accident lweyi pholo leyi a nga yi tirhelangi xave mali accident. Okay, we are minding our own businesses. Ita approach me, ni nga ku xavela yini, I fika ka me a nga ni pfuxeli, fika ku ya ni nga ku xavela yini. I was like, yo, khuvekani vanghana va mina qoqa hi leswi hi qoqa hi swona. Aku se sineri ni nga ku xavela yini. We're like, okay, but first of all, a wu hi pfuxeli, we are minding our businesses. Like you don't even greet us. We u fika la insila ya attitude liya ya ku ni bukeni nghene hi pholo. Swa ke swona pholo ku yi tsemisa la henhle, a hi yona leya ku ta yini roof leya ku office ya slide. We're like, aku yeah, ni nga mi xava hinkwenu. We're like, duh, because of work aku humi mala rough, mala le tindleleni, mala ku itwele ku baba, so ucabanga swo ta xava yena. Okay, we're like, okay, cause man ni calm, and Ayanda say she's starting to be pissed off. Say what? I was like, okay, brother, first of all, you don't greet us. Secondly, ufika what's swo ta hi xavela yini, like u vona ingaku hi le ku chodeliweni swi swa ku swi nwa la, u vona ingaku like okay. Anyway, a story in the next week Friday. Stay tuned. Chitsonga Diva is in the building. This is our things.